Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Purchaser's Life. Today I'm going to dive into an essential aspect of business and supply chain: supplier diversification. If you are a business owner, a manager, or anyone interested in optimizing your supply chain and protecting your business, this video is for you. We will explore the secret to success, cost savings, and security in supplier diversification. Before we jump into the detail, let's talk about why supplier diversification is crucial. Relying on a single source for your products or material can be risky. Natural disaster, economic downturn, or unexpected event can disrupt your supply chain. Supplier diversification is like an insurance policy for your business, providing the much needed protection and flexibility. So, what is supplier diversification? Friends, please subscribe to Purchaser's Life to have much informative content like this. In a simple term, it's the practice of sourcing your products or material from multiple suppliers instead of relying on just one. This strategy spreads your risk and safeguards your business. It can apply to any industry from manufacturing to retail, e-commerce, and beyond. Now it's time to explore the key benefit of supplier diversification. First, it enhances your security. By having multiple suppliers, you reduce the impact of disruptions, ensuring your business can continue to operate even when one supplier faces challenges. Secondly, it can save your money. Competition among suppliers often lead to better terms and lower prices, which means cost saving for your business. But the question is, how do you effectively diversify your suppliers? Let me tell you, friends, Purchaser Life is a challenge about procuring goods and services effectively and efficiently for your businesses. So, do like it and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Now back to supplier diversification. It's not just about having many sources. It's about doing it strategically. You need a well-thought plan that considers your product's requirements, supplier reliability, and geographical diversity. We'll dive into some practical steps in just a moment. But first, let's look at this example of successful supplier diversification. Asray Shiri, a well-known sweet bakery in Karachi, decided to diversify its sugar suppliers. And here's what they did. They began by identifying local alternative suppliers, then carefully evaluated them for quality, reliability, and pricing. Negotiation followed, covering everything from price to quality standards and payment terms. Instead of an abrupt switch, they gradually started sourcing some of their sugar from new suppliers, allowing them to assess performance. To maintain control, they invest in a basic supply chain management system, using key performance indicators, timely deliveries, and top quality sugar. This method ensures a smoother and more secure sugar supply for sweets at Asray Shiri, Karachi, Pakistan. Here's a step-by-step guide to implementing supplier diversification. Step number 1. Assess your current supplier portfolio. Start by evaluating your existing suppliers. Understand their strengths, weaknesses, and area of potential risk. Identify the products or material sourced by each supplier and their importance to your operation. Step number 2. Define your diversification goals. Determine your objective of supplier diversification. Are you aiming for risk reduction, cost saving, or both? Set specific and realistic goals that align with your business needs and industry. Step number 3. Identify new potential suppliers. Research and identify potential new suppliers. Consider factors like reliability, quality, geographical location, and capacity. Create a list of candidates based on your product or material requirements. Step 4. Evaluate supplier reliability. Assess the reliability and reputation of potential suppliers. Look at their track record, references, and industrial certification. Consider factors such as delivery performance, product quality, and financial stability. Step number 5. Conduct supplier audits. For the shortlisted suppliers, conduct thorough supplier audits. Evaluate their facilities, processes, and quality control measures. Ensure they meet your standards and requirements. Step number 6. Negotiate terms and agreements. Initiate negotiations with new suppliers. Discuss pricing, payment terms, lead times, and quality insurance. Aim for mutually beneficial agreements that align with your diversification goals. Step number 7. Create redundancy in your supply chain. Diversify your sourcing by allocating products or material to multiple suppliers strategically. Balance your orders to avoid overloading and single supplier. Step 8. Implement a robust supply chain management system. Invest in supply chain management software or tools to monitor and control your diversified supply chain effectively. Ensure real-time visibility into inventory levels, order status, and supplier performance. Step 9. Monitor and manage supplier performance. Continuously monitor the performance of suppliers. Track key performance indicators (KPIs) such as on-time delivery, product quality, and cost effectiveness. Address issues quickly and maintain open communication with your suppliers. Step 10. Review and adjust your strategy. Periodically review the effectiveness of supplier diversification strategy. Adjust your approach based on changing market conditions, supplier performance, and evolving business goals. Step 11. Build strong relationship. Foster strong relationship with your suppliers. Collaborate to find innovative solutions, reduce cost, and improve quality. Strong relationships can lead to better outcome for both parties. Step 12. Plan of contingencies. Develop contingency plan for potential disruptions in your supply chain. Identify alternative sources and have emergency procedure in place. Ensure you can respond quickly to unexpected challenges. Now that you have learned about the power of supplier diversification, we want to encourage you to take action. Evaluate your current suppliers, assess your risk factors, and consider how diversifying your sources can benefit your businesses. It's a strategical move that can pay off in the long run, and we are here to support you on your journey. If you have any questions or need guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. I love to hear about your experiences and answer any queries you may have. Before I wrap up, we want to give you a snack pack into our upcoming content. We will be diving even deeper into supply chain management, business optimization, and much more. So, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any our valuable insight and tips. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussion, case study, and practical guides that can help you succeed in the world of business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.